So here's the house tour. Here we go. Front door.
So first room is over here.
Hold on, Joseph. Here's the mic.
Yep.
Walk me through the house.
Yep. Okay. So the first room is over here. The second is on the left. This I haven't used as a room. It was typically a storage. These are bigger rooms here on the right and left. This room has done $900 a month before. This is a natural room in the house. Bathroom right here in between these two. Nope, power's not on yet. All right, so these are big rooms here.
This house is a lot longer than you think it is.
It is shotgun style house.
That's a wee little house. Wee little room, huh?
Yeah, that's really storage. It became a room as the back rooms became inoperable. Small functional kitchen here. Bathroom here on the left. All right. Right here is laundry room. The water heater. Got our second bathroom here on the right. Needs a little TLC. This is the second kind of common-ish area. You got the second refrigerator here, some tuck under seating there, and then nice large room here. There's some foundation issues here going on. I believe that's from the neighbor next door has some runoff on that side. This here is the suite. It's got its own bathroom here. This one was doing about $250 a week here. And then we've got another room on the right, another room on the left, and then don't go past that area there. Last room here, so it'd be what?
Is there two back here?
What's that?
Is there water that came in back here or what?
The bottom of the house fell off. I've never seen that
Yeah,
before.
yeah. You got the walls still going, though.
Walls are still up. So I don't know what type of situation's going on under there. I think it's something to do with, obviously there's moisture. That's what's going on there.
Definitely.
So yeah, something's going on there.
Well, here's what probably happened. Water was running under the house for a long period of time, and then it probably rotted all that wood out. That's one indication, but I'm not really sure until I really get over and check it out. But
so that's what today's for. Again, I am just fine not even having three. That was 3 more rooms that can be there, but there are still 8 rooms here outside those items.